Okay, this is just a quick way to blur out a face here. So what I'm going to show you, we've got one clip already in the timeline. I'm going to drag that exact same clip, but just the video, not the audio, down to the timeline as well, above it. So now there's one above, and when I hide that one, it shows the exact same below. Now I'm going to go into my effects panel and search for Gaussian, G-A-U-S. You find this Gaussian blur, and I'm going to take that to the top panel, or the top video here, and I'm going to also search for, I think in this case I'll do an 8-point garbage matte, so I'll search for EIGH, and you can see this 8-point garbage matte. Now you could do a 4 or a 16-point garbage matte as well, but I'm going to go ahead and do an 8. And then I will drag that to that top one as well. Now if I go into the effect control, I can first set my 8-point garbage matte by clicking on the effect here, and I want to set this so it's just around this guy's face here. And you could tell if I had 16 points, I could be a little more fine-tuned, or if I had 4 points, if it was just real, kind of boxy and I didn't really need to fine-tune it. But there, I've got that blur or that garbage matte set out there. Now it's not showing you anything yet, but I can show you if I actually drag this down here that I'm only showing what's inside that panel at this point. So now that I've got that set up, I'm going to add my Gaussian blur. I'm going to make it a little more blurry. So now I can take this blurriness and just click, hold, and drag to the right, and you can see that I've made that blurriness a little more defined there. And it pulls it up there a little bit, so I can click on my garbage matte and pull that back down a little bit to get that kind of where I need it to be. So that's a way to blur out someone's face. The other thing you could do inside the Gaussian blurriness is you could take maybe I was thinking of a different kind of blur. Oh, if you just wanted to go horizontal or just vertical, you could do it that way. But I think both makes it, you could see the fuzz a little bit there. And that is a way to blur out someone's face. So now if we watch this video in real time, we can see that we've just made his face blurry, and in essence, we've hidden his identity.